To delete and deactivate your account, simply click on the profile icon. After that, click on the three lines that present in the top. Then click on the settings and privacy. After that, you will be a settings and then click on the account button. Here is the deactivate and delete your account, so simply click on it. Now here you can deactivate or delete your account permanently. So simple, I select the delete account permanently. After that, you can choose any one of them an option and then click on the continue button. After clicking continue, you must have to check this button and then again click on the continue. Then once more time click on the continue. Now they will send an OTP to your Gmail. You have to copy that OTP and then paste on it. Here you have to paste this OTP that TikTok team has sent to your Gmail and then click on the delete account and then again delete. Now your TikTok account has been successfully deleted. You can see by clicking the profile button.